Let us look first of all before I start trading. What is it that I do? The first thing, of course, I will check the calendar for economical news, geopolitical news. If there is anything that will affect a certain currency, I will know either to avoid the currency or to trade fundamentals, which is trading news. As you know, I am a day trader. I also trade fundamentals, so whatever way that comes, I trade. But the very first thing that you need to understand as a forex trader, whether you're beginning or you're an advanced trader, is to know if you are trading currencies, what exactly are you looking for? What are you doing? So if you go to forexsignals.com, you'll find my friend Paul waiting there to greet you. You can actually inbox me. I will send you a link that will take you directly to forexsignals.com and download this indicator. It doesn't cost you anything, it's all for free. So this is the first thing I do. You will see the 8 currencies here that the 8 strongest currencies that will affect us in the trading. We have the US dollar, it has this color, the euro, this color, the pound, the AUD, the Swiss pound, and Japanese yen, NZD, and CAD. So if you look at the USD, for example, on the 5 minute, it's red, 15 red, 1 hour red. It's only strong on the 4 hour and daily. So what this indicator does, it gives you the momentum and the currency strength of that country. Well, let's look, for example, the pound, which was this one. The pound was very strong over Friday, and it was crumbling down at the end of the day, and it gathered some momentum. So the currencies that are above the momentum meeting, which is the zero line here, are the ones that are stronger than this. So it won't make sense for a trader to trade the pound versus the euro. Look at what they are doing, or even the pound versus the Swiss. They have the same momentum. If you look at the euro and pound, at least they are facing the opposite direction. But as the day was ending, they were coming to the same spot. So you find yourself stuck in a stagnant trade that doesn't move, and maybe you are not getting the pips that you wanted. You are in the same position, and if it was on the negative, you do not even see hope. So it will make sense if, for example, I am trading the pound, which is going that way, and I am trading this one, which is the NZD, which is going that way. It makes sense. Or maybe I am trading which currency right here. Maybe I'm trading um, the dollar, not the dollar, even this one, the yen, which is going that side, and the Swiss, which is going that side. So this indicator will help you to see which is the strongest currency versus the other, and it makes sense. So this is one thing that I do, which is the second step. The third step, I need to now look at my capital and see what lot size, what deal size I'm gonna be using, and what target do I need per day. If I want to make 1,000 rand, if I want to make 2,000 rands, if I want to make 5,000 rands, it's according to me. And then after seeing the situation here, I will also know which pairs I'm going to be looking at. Before I even do my analysis, I already know everything that is happening behind doors. So the banks, they do this, they just look at the strongest currency versus the weakest currency, then they put their money they do not waste even a lot of time doing technicals and everything. The second thing, the third thing, not the second thing, is now I'll go now to my systems, my tools that I'm using that will help in a lot in a very big way. Let's look at the USD card, which I traded on Friday. Right, as you can see, these tools, they have this special color coded into them. The first thing what you see is these boxes, the red blue boxes. These are called the trend boxes. So the trend boxes, if you are in a red box, you are only interested in sell orders. We are looking to go short. If it's in a blue box, we are interested to go long or look for buy entries. That is the first indicator. Then we have our candles coded also in color, and then we have let me just go to maybe H1 to see. Okay, all right. So we have let me try to go to the H4. It's not something I'm looking for. Okay, let me just use H1, it's fine. Right, so what we have again, this is perfect. So in a blue box, we are looking for buy entries. So when you see this blue the blue dot here, it's an early entry for a buy entry. If you see now the magenta, the hot magenta right there, it's for a sell entry, early sell entry. Let's look at those examples. I have a perfect example right here during the news time. You have that blue dot coming up there, an entry for a buy. Okay, and also on top of that, we have the SAR dots. If they are on top, they are pushing the price down. If they are below the candles, they are pushing the price up. So you also go down on this area here. There are more indicators. These red green bars are the volatility bars that are in this system. Green one will be supporting the buy. Below you will find a black line. This is the MACD. When it's crossing above the zero line here, it's a buy. They're crossing down the zero line, it's a buy. That's your last confirmation. And you have the GMACD here. M1 red, M5 red, everything is red. The strong downwards is strong. So let's see what happened on Friday. There was an entry here. I can confirm that was a buy entry dot there. The SR dot is also below, pushing the price up. The RSI is this line here, crossing also above the volatility bar as a green entry, and the MACD is crossing above zero. Perfect entry if you've got it, if you had jumped in during the news time, right up to there when the price was shown that you can get out. That was 77 pips. The same thing happens here with the magenta entry. If you had jumped in for a sell right there, everything was confirming. Look at that, perfect entry. How many pips are those? How many pips are those? Let's just see right there. That was a 68 pips, so it would have gone up and down. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the second video. I will show you now the third video where I'll be showing you the advanced system. Thank you so much. This is